Okay guys, so here's my oxtail. Yes, looks really nice. Here you go, have a bite. Smell it. It smells good. Hey guys, welcome back to Santana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some oxtail. I have my seasoning over here. This right here is a ginger and garlic blend. My oxtail seasoning, jerk seasoning. What's this? All-purpose and meat seasoning. Got my stuff. Alright guys, so I got my oxtail here. It's washed and clean. So I'm just going to apply my seasoning to it. Right here, as I said before, is the ginger and garlic blend. The rest of my seasoning. You know what? Okay, so it's time to add my browning. Alright, so I'm just going to rub it in here to get a really nice color. Yeah. Okay, and the rest of my seasoning. Alright, so I'm going to leave this to marinate for 15 minutes. Yeah. So here it is. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to pour my oil. Not a lot. And then I'm going to wait for it to hot. Then I will put the oxtail in it. Alright peeps, so it's time for me to add my meat. Add in my meat. This smells good. Season really nice. Alright guys, so I'm going to let it simmer like this for 10 minutes before I add any water to it. Yes, I'm just going to let it cook like this for 10 minutes. See? Alright, so just like a wait 5 more minutes, then add the water to it. Yeah, it smells good already. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add the water. Alright. Alright guys, so I just added the water, so now I'm going to cover my pot and I will get back to you guys in 30 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to add the rest of my seasoning in here. And let it cook. And a few pimento seeds. Alright, so now I'm going to add the spinach to it. You can add butter bean to it if you want to, but I'm going to add some spinach today. Alright, so let's more onion and scallion on it. Alright, so I'm going to leave it to cook for a few more minutes and then you guys will see the finished product. Okay guys, so here's my oxtail. Yes, looks really nice. Here you go, have a bite. Smell it. It smells good.